Hi everybody. I got Christmas paint money, so of course I had to run to all the craft stores. So look what I got from Joann's. It is by FolkArt, and I'm sure there's been people out there who have used these, but I have not. It's to me it sounds like it's just so cool. You have your choice of your pattern, and here's what they show you as an example. So that looks like that's just fun to me. So I have a round canvas, so I figured I've been waiting to use this for a really long time. I got this on Amazon. I will put the link down below. It is wood, and I have covered it in one layer of the Montana primer. It's white primer by Montana Cans, and I said this is perfect because it's going to be a round pattern. Why not just keep with the round theme? So my first initial thought was I will do one ring, either that size or that size. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that size. I've got my paints mixed up. This is what I have. I have my Amsterdam titanium white right here. This is going to be my base. I have a pearl white mixed with some Hemway glitter. I don't know if you guys know this, but I really love my Hemway glitter. And then this opal glitter. This is kind of like a gel consistency, and it just adds this really cool holographic look. I thoroughly enjoy my Hemway paint additive glitter because I can very easily stick this into my paint or when it's already been stirred up because it doesn't clump. This is the extra fine holographic silver. So that is mixed with pearl white, and I don't know if you can see the glitter yet, probably not, but I can't wait to see what this looks like. And then I have Deco Art 24 karat gold mixed with Amsterdam light gold, and then I have dioxazine purple. This one is by Creative Inspirations, and then I have a teal, and my teal is actually the metallic one mixed up with I'm not really making sense right now. Hold on a second. Right here. The Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. This is like my favorite out of all colors of Artist Loft. I have not found another brand that does this color. So I mixed it with a little bit of the Atelier's cobalt turquoise light hue, just to tone it down a little bit. And those are my colors. So I'm gonna put my base down and get started. Wish me luck. I've never done this one before, but I am dying to.
Get on your feet, there's sights to see. Rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. Take it in, we got no plans. Good things come to those who can. Live moment to moment and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. So look alive, 'cause what I was waiting for
I'm gonna let it dry like this. This is not at all like the picture on the back of the box is. There is none of that, and I don't care. My paint was too thick, and as soon as I started pouring it, I knew it was too thick. This is so cool looking. I'm gonna let this dry like this. I don't want to touch anything. I love the colors. There's just a little bit of white poking through there. Now, it might transform a little bit more, but this is really cool. All right, stay tuned for the dried results. And I will try this again. I will definitely try it again, just with, you know, thinner paint maybe. It is so shimmery. I'm so happy. Oh, it's so cool. I love that gold. Can you see it? Oh, amazing. I am definitely going to try this again with that little contraption that I bought, which I'm sure I'm late to the party that everybody's already done it, stuff with those, but I love the different colors. I love the texture of it. I love how some areas have like the blue just sneaking in a little bit. I am super happy with the shimmer. So I have 2 more rounds, so I would love some suggestions of colors of what I should do next. I'm open for suggestions because I'm always going to go to blue. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.